Looking for an all-inclusive paradise in Mexico's Riviera Maya that won't completely drain your bank account? Let's talk about Barceló Maya Tropical, a massive 5-star beachfront resort that's been welcoming families and couples since 1996. This place is part of the enormous Barceló Maya Grand Resort complex, which means you're getting access to not just one hotel, but 4 connected properties sharing a stunning 2-kilometer stretch of pristine Caribbean beach. The resort sits right on the corridor of Federal Cancún Puerto Morelos, about 15 kilometers from the bustling heart of Playa del Carmen, giving you that perfect balance of tropical seclusion and easy access to local attractions. With over 400 rooms, 10 dining venues, 5 swimming pools, and more activities than you could squeeze into a week-long vacation, this place has been consistently earning solid ratings across booking platforms. We're talking an 8.4 out of 10 on Booking.com from over 15,000 reviews, a respectable 4 out of 5 on TripAdvisor from more than 20,000 guests, and a 4.3 on Google. The resort underwent partial renovations in 2023 and 2024 with refreshed bedding, upgraded air conditioning systems, and ongoing improvements to common areas. They've even announced a full spa renovation coming in 2026. The property embraces Mayan-inspired architecture surrounded by lush tropical gardens, creating that authentic Caribbean paradise vibe that travelers dream about when planning their Mexican getaway. Let's dive into what you're actually sleeping in when you book a stay at Barceló Maya Tropical. The resort offers over 400 rooms spread across several categories, and every single one comes with the all-inclusive package. Starting with the superior room, you're looking at a solid 40 square meters of space, which translates to about 430 square feet. These rooms come with either a king bed or 2 queens, making them perfect for families since they can accommodate up to 4 people, including 2 adults and 2 kids. You'll get a private balcony or terrace with views of either the tropical gardens or partial ocean glimpses. Inside, expect air conditioning that was upgraded in the recent renovations, a minibar that gets restocked daily with soft drinks and local beer, a coffee maker for those early morning wake-ups, a safe for your valuables, Wi-Fi that works reasonably well though some guests mention it can be slow during peak times, satellite television, hairdryer, and an iron with ironing board. One cool feature is the motion sensor lights, which is handy when you're stumbling back to your room after a night at the disco. During high season from January through April, these superior rooms run anywhere from $400 to $550 per night for 2 adults with everything included. Low season prices from May to October drop significantly to around $250 to $350. Step up to the deluxe room and you're getting a slightly larger space at 42 square meters with a bigger balcony and better views, either oceanfront or overlooking the pools. These rooms add premium liquor to your minibar, a pillow menu so you can customize your sleeping comfort, and hydromassage showers that feel amazing after a long day at the beach. Prices range from $300 to $400 in low season and $450 to $600 during peak months. For families needing more space, the Junior Suite offers 56 square meters with a separate living area, sofa bed, and can sleep up to 5 people. You'll get all the deluxe amenities plus an espresso machine, bathrobes, smart television, and a jetted tub perfect for relaxing. Some junior suites also include club access options. Expect to pay between $400 and $500 in low season, jumping to $600 to $800 during high season. The top-tier family suite is where things get really spacious at 80 square meters with 2 separate bedrooms connected by doors, sleeping 6 to 8 people comfortably. These suites include bunk beds that kids absolutely love, a game console for entertainment, and a special kids amenities kit. Prices run from $500 to $700 low season and $800 to $1,100 during peak travel months. All rooms feature bright whites with tropical prints, modern bathrooms, and that classic Caribbean resort aesthetic. Guest photos show the rooms are clean and comfortable, though some visitors mention that despite the renovations, certain rooms still feel a bit dated compared to newer resorts in the area. Now let's talk about food, because at an all-inclusive resort, dining is absolutely crucial to your overall experience. Barceló Maya Tropical doesn't disappoint with over 10 different venues shared across the resort complex, and your wristband gets you unlimited access to all of them. The main hub is Palenque Buffet, a massive international and Mexican buffet restaurant that can seat over 500 people at once. This place serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 11 at night, so you're never far from food. Breakfast features made-to-order omelets with fresh ingredients, while dinner rotates through themed nights including seafood extravaganzas, Asian cuisine, and traditional Mexican feasts. Wednesday nights are particularly popular with Mexican-themed spreads featuring regional specialties. The buffet is completely casual, no dress code to worry about, and no reservations needed, though expect lines during peak meal times. For a more refined dining experience, La Hacienda serves as the resort steakhouse specializing in Mexican and grilled cuisine. Here you'll find perfectly cooked ribeyes, fresh lobster, and authentic mole poblano that showcases traditional Mexican cooking. The restaurant seats about 150 guests and operates for dinner only from 6 until 11 at night. Unlike the buffet, La Hacienda requires smart casual attire, meaning no shorts or tank tops, and reservations are absolutely required. You can book through the resort's app or at the concierge desk, and it's worth planning ahead because this place fills up quickly. They also run Taco Tuesdays with special menu items. If Italian food is your thing, Capri delivers with homemade pasta, wood-fired pizzas, and desserts like tiramisu that guests rave about in reviews. This casual venue seats 120 people and serves dinner from 6 to 11, with reservations recommended but not mandatory. For a more laid-back beach vibe, the beach house functions as a beach grill serving seafood and international favorites. Operating for lunch and dinner from 11 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon, this spot is perfect for ceviche, burgers, and casual bites while you're still in your swimsuit. They even have live music on Friday nights, creating a fun party atmosphere. No reservations needed, and the dress code is as casual as it gets. The resort also features multiple bars scattered throughout the property, including the lobby bar, beach bar, and a swim-up pool bar that's incredibly popular. These bars serve from 10 in the morning until 1 in the morning, mixing up margaritas, mojitos, and other cocktails using mid-range spirits included in your all-inclusive package. If you want top-shelf premium liquors, there's an upcharge for those. Guest reviews consistently praise the variety and quality of food, with many mentioning they never had a bad meal during their entire stay. Some visitors note that the buffet can feel repetitive if you're staying for more than a week, and vegetarian or gluten-free options exist but aren't always clearly labeled or consistent. The a la carte restaurants receive higher marks for food quality and presentation, though the trade-off is dealing with reservations and occasionally long waits even with bookings. The pool and beach situation at Barceló Maya Tropical is genuinely impressive and often cited as one of the resort's biggest selling points. The complex features 5 distinct swimming pools shared among the connected hotels, giving guests plenty of options depending on their mood. The main family pool is Olympic-sized, ranging from 1.2 to 1.8 meters deep, and includes a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water. This pool is the social hub of the resort, always buzzing with activity, music, and animation teams organizing games and activities. For adults seeking peace and quiet, there's a dedicated adults-only infinity pool stretching 50 meters long with stunning ocean views. This area maintains a much more relaxed atmosphere, perfect for couples or anyone wanting to escape the family-friendly chaos. Kids have their own dedicated pool complete with water slides and shallow areas safe for younger children to splash around under parental supervision. Additionally, 2 quieter pools offer middle ground options for those who want to swim without the party atmosphere but don't mind families nearby. All pools operate from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, with complimentary towel service and loungers. If you want extra luxury, cabanas are available for rent, though they cost extra and should be reserved in advance during peak season. But the real star of the show is the beach. Barceló Maya Tropical shares a 2-kilometer stretch of absolutely pristine white sand Caribbean beach with calm, crystal-clear turquoise waters perfect for swimming. The beach is meticulously maintained with daily cleanups, and guests consistently praise how clean and beautiful it is. Beach waiters roam the sand taking drink and food orders, so you never have to leave your lounger if you don't want to. The resort provides complimentary kayaks and paddleboards for guests who want to explore the coastline, and the calm waters make these activities accessible even for beginners. For those interested in snorkeling or catamaran excursions, these activities are available for an additional fee through the resort's water sports center. The beach features plenty of palapas providing shade, and there are always enough loungers available, though arriving early during high season ensures you get prime positioning. Some guests mention that seaweed can occasionally wash up on the beach depending on the season and ocean currents, but resort staff works quickly to clear it away. The combination of multiple pools and that spectacular beach means you'll never feel crowded or struggle to find your perfect spot to relax, even when the resort is fully booked. When it comes to staying active and entertained, Barceló Maya Tropical absolutely delivers with an almost overwhelming array of activities and recreational options. The fitness center features modern technogym equipment including treadmills, stationary bikes, free weights, and yoga mats, all housed in an air-conditioned facility open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night. If you prefer group exercise, the resort offers daily fitness classes including Zumba, aqua aerobics in the pool, beach volleyball, and yoga sessions. Personal training is available for an additional fee if you want customized workouts during your vacation. Beyond traditional fitness, the resort's animation team keeps things lively throughout the day with pool games, dance lessons, Spanish classes, and various competitions. Water sports enthusiasts can take advantage of the complimentary kayaks and paddleboards mentioned earlier, or pay extra for activities like snorkeling excursions, catamaran rides, and diving trips to nearby reefs. Tennis courts are available for guests who want to play, and equipment can be borrowed from the sports desk. For those interested in cultural experiences, the resort organizes Mayan eco-tours and visits to nearby archaeological sites, giving you a chance to learn about the region's fascinating history. Evening entertainment is particularly robust with nightly shows featuring fire dancers, tribute acts like a Michael Jackson performance, traditional Mexican folklore presentations with live bands, and themed beach parties. The disco stays open until 2 in the morning for night owls who want to keep the party going. During the day, you can participate in cooking classes, tequila tastings, and craft workshops. The resort also offers bicycle rentals if you want to explore the surrounding area on 2 wheels. What's impressive is that most of these activities are included in your all-inclusive package, though some premium experiences like scuba diving certification courses, deep-sea fishing trips, and off-site excursions to places like Xcaret or Chichen Itza cost extra. Guest reviews frequently mention that you could stay at this resort for 2 weeks and still not experience everything available, which is pretty remarkable. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.